Hi, welcome. Here's your Saxon Lesson 92. Your Saxon Lesson 92, you're going to need Lesson 92 that's located in your baggies for this week. It looks like this. It says Lesson 92 on it. Okay, today we are going to start off by going over our affix cards, and then we're going to do our sight word cards. You ready? So our affix cards are the suffixes. Suffix s, suffix less, suffix ing, suffix ed, suffix y, suffix er, suffix est, suffix let, suffix li, suffix est, suffix ish, suffix n, suffix full, suffix ness. So again, suffixes go at the end of a word and it changes the meaning of the root word. All right, let's go over our sight word cards. You ready? Animal, friend, change, country, danger, eye, island, listen, once, strange, stranger, whose. Very good. All right, yes, as you can see behind me, I'm at school. I'm still here. I'm recording. There's not anyone close to me, so I'm not sure why I have a mask on. I kind of forgot it on. Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and go over our spelling sounds. Next to number 1, I want you to write the sound for dull. Candle, dull. What is that? D-L-E. Number 2, whale, wah. Number 3, I consonant, E, comma, I, final Y. Number 4, that's F, final, F, F. Number 5, J, that's J, comma, G, final D, G, E, comma, G, E. Again, that's J, comma, G, final D, G, E, comma, G, E. And remember, at the end, I'll show you my paper. So if you didn't get it, you can get it at the end, okay? Number 6 is T. So that's T, final, T, T, comma, ED. Okay, number 7, ow. That's O-U, final O-W. Number 8 is S. That's S, comma, C, final S, S, comma, S-E, comma, C-E. Yes, that was a lot. S, comma, C, final, S, S, comma, S-E, comma, C-E. Number 9 is D. That's D, comma, D, final, D, comma, E-D. D, final, D, comma, E-D. So your paper should look like this. If you need some time to copy this down, you can pause the video now. Okay, now we're moving on. Let's practice writing some words. Next to number 10, I want you to write the word speed. Speed. To speed means to drive fast, or to do anything fast in that matter. Speed. S-P-E-E-D. Next to number 11, write the word straw. 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 S-T-R-A-W. Next to number 12, playful. 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 P-L-A-Y-F-U-L. Playful. Now let's practice some sight words. Next to number 13, write the word strange. Strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Strange. Next to number 14, let's write the word island. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D. The S is silent. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Next to number 15, write the word once. Once. O-N-C-E. Once. All right, now let's practice the sentence on number 16. Follow along, write out loud. Mirror. All right, here we go. When the ball rings, comma, swim as fast as you can, period. I'm going to do that again. When the bell rings, comma, swim as fast as you can, period. Okay, so pause the video and write that sentence down now. Okay, so your paper should look like mine. If it doesn't, you can pause the video to make sure it does, to write it all down. Okay, again, the sentence was, when the bell rings, swim as fast as you can. The comma goes after rings. When you have a comma, that means you pause when you read it. So you don't say, when the bell rings, swim as fast as you can. You say, when the bell rings, swim as fast as you can. It means there's a brief pause, right? All right, so again, if you need time, pause the video now. Okay, let's move on. Let's look at this word right here. Okay, what should I do before coding this word? I should look for a final stable syllable, a suffix, then find the vowels, right? Does this word have a final stable syllable or a suffix? No, it does not. How many vowels does this word have? Raise it. I'm sorry, how many vowels? A, I, and then another I, so that's 3 vowels. What do we do when we have more than one vowel in a word? You find the vowel patterns and divide the vowels into syllables. What if one of the vowels is part of a digraph? When the word contains a digraph, we treat that letter cluster as only one sound. Do you see any digraphs in this word? Yes, digraph AI. So how do you think we will treat a digraph AI? As one sound, that's right. We'll treat digraph AI as only one vowel sound since digraphs only have one sound. So for syllable division purposes, this word contains only 2 vowels. Let's underline the digraph and write a V under each vowel sound. Digraph AI, I'll underline, and then a V under AI and a V under I, 2 vowels right there. Looks like that. So look between the vowels for consonants now. Do we have a consonant between these vowels? Yes, we do. What letter is it? The S. Very good. So we're going to write a C under the S because it's a consonant. Who can tell me the vowel pattern for this word? It's a VCV word. Very good. Where is the best place to divide and accent the VCV pattern? First, try to divide after the first vowel and accent the first syllable. Otherwise, after the consonant, sorry. So after the first vowel, that's vowel AI, I'm going to put my division line and then my accent goes right before. How do we code the second vowel, I? With a breve because it's a short vowel sound. Very good. It's a short vowel sound. How about AI? Remember digraph AI, you cross out the silent letter I. Very good. And you put a macron on the A because it says raisin, not raisin. And then that's it. So that's how yours should look, right? Or that's how raisin should be coded. What would have happened if we had divided the word after the consonant? Even if we had divided raisin after the S, the pronunciation would not have changed. This is because digraphs usually make the same sound. So is this coded correctly? Yes, but we forgot one thing. Crossing out the S because it's voiced, because it doesn't say raisin, it says raisin. So the S makes the Z sound, which means it's voiced, which means we need to cross out, just like that, right? Very good. Let's do some review. How do we code a vowel that is followed by a consonant? We code it with a brief because it is a short vowel sound. How do we code an open accented vowel? With a macron because it's a long vowel sound. How do we code a word that follows the vowel consonant E pattern? We cross out the E and put a macron over the vowel. How do we code a word with two vowel sounds? Find the vowels, look between them for consonants, then divide the word and code it. How do we code final stable syllables? Bracket them, accent the syllables before the bracket, cross out the silent E's, if there is one. All right, very good. Let's see. So now what we're going to do is, let's flip our papers over. Let's read these high frequency words together in this box, okay? We have I, once, island, number, danger, country, stranger, government. So here you're going to write 4 sentences using one word in each sentence. You're going to use a different word in each sentence. You're going to have a capital letter in the beginning, a punctuation mark at the end, and you're going to highlight the word you've used. If you don't have a highlighter at home, use a yellow marker. You don't have a yellow marker, then just box it. That's fine. And then on the back, you're going to code these words, read the passage, and answer the questions on the homework and worksheet side. Okay? All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I am online. I'll see you later. Bye.